kamusta ba yung mga GPU prices ngayon? We've been tracking Philippine GPU prices for almost 3 years, so with some confidence, I can say, not bad. This is Sulit Ba Saturday, where we take a look at GPU and CPU pricing data from our Price Watch tracking sheet. Ang dami pang pricing data para sa ibang GPUs and CPUs, makikita mo yun lahat dito. Or panoorin mo yung latest Price Watch episode namin sa YouTube where we break down all of the important GPU and CPU pricing trends. May slight price increase sa karamihan ng NVIDIA 50 series GPUs, pero very slight lang. Sa high-end, mas interesting yung price action. The 5080 went up to 81,000 from 76,500, a roughly 6% increase. But the average price of the 5090 went down from 170k to 159k. Time to buy 5090? At least now you have hard data to decide kung panahon na nga ba bumili or hold muna. See you again next week for another Sulit Ba Saturday.